Welcome to the Girlfriend's Lounge. I'm so glad that you came back. Or if you're new, thank you for watching and spending your time with me. We are going to organize this into this plastic bin that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I don't know. I've had them a long time, but every time I go to Marshalls and TJ Maxx, I still see them. Big Lots even has them. So just check out. Most of them are pretty reasonably priced, and sometimes they're even on sale. So we're gonna use this one. And what I like to do, sorry for the crinkle sound, is organize the styles so that everything is like with like. So I'll put those there, and then let's see, we'll get this one. I think there was several in this, and then I just like to stick them in here. So there were duplicates of these. I think I bought 2 of each, and I'll stick them all together. Let me see if I can put the camera up a little bit better. Okay, much better. Okay, so let's stick this here. Okay, and then this one is the same in that. Okay, so I think we got all of the collections together. So I'll just stick them in this little organizer, the one-offs. I try to keep to the front. There's another one that goes here. And then I think we slid down a little bit. And I'll stick those back there. And then when I want to, if I'm going to do a layout, then I'll just grab, if it's a color scheme I'm looking for, or a maybe a floral or nature kind of theme, then I'll just grab that. But let me show you, and then this is how it looks. And then let me show you a sample. So this is the Dreams of Hazy Flowers little embellishment collection. These are some of the options that you have on the back, the little sampling. This is that little, you take 2 envelopes. You can fold one in half and use both pieces, or you can cut it in half and use one. And so that's what I've done with this one. So this is a Dollar Tree envelope. This is a Dollar Tree envelope cut in half. And then we're gonna decorate this so it creates like a little pocket for your journal. And so here is just kind of a preview of the papers. And you get 2 of each, it looks like. There's that. And I'm just trying to find what one I want to use. That's pretty. And the blue florals. Okay, so what I do is take, let's see, like this one, and wrap that one around the top. These I am most likely going to, well, actually, let's see. Wrap that around there. Where does it meet? Oh, that could be a little pocket on the back. Okay. So let's glue these down. And hopefully I'm in frame. So we have one on the top, get all the glue, and then on this side, I'm going to do, I'll just do this side first. And then over here, we'll do that there. Whoops. Create a little pocket. And then we'll go back to the front, or the inside. So then we have this piece right here that we can tuck right there. And you can round the corners. You can ink it up. This is just a quick way of showing you how far these packs really go, and I'll look up the price of especially this one and let you know they weren't that expensive. And then on the embellishing, let's see what we have on the sticker. So we have some butterflies. That's really pretty. So you get 2 each of those, like that. There. 2 butterflies. And then a few of these, and there are 2 of each. I'm just kind of going through them quickly. So you get quite a few stickers. And then you get some labels. Some of those. And here's 2 more. Hopefully the lighting is okay. Those. And then you get the options of papers. There's that. Some yellows. It's really pretty. And then the one that we used. So let's put this on the front. And then I saw a label I thought I might want to use. And then, let's see, that looks like it goes vertical. Here we go, we'll use this one on the inside. And then again, you can embellish this more. Everything is kind of wet right now, but you know, you can put a few items inside. Some papers. I think I'm kind of covering the view shot. Maybe that won't fit. Maybe some of the labels. You stick some in here and then put some of the big papers in the back. And then you can pop this in your journal for embellishment items. I could fit a lot more in there, but this is just a little sampling. Okay. Again, thank you for visiting, and I hope you come back. And if you like the channel, please subscribe to it. If you want to see more of the organization, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.